What's happening, guys? Today we are in Sunset Cliffs, California, the capital of flowers in this area. As you guys can see, I got a gigantic one behind me. And after yesterday's video, I was filming some bees, some close-up action. I wanted to run it back. So today I'm gonna show you 5 of my favorites. I'm saving the best for last, and they are all on this block. Let's check it out. Take a look at this, guys. Coming in at number uno, we got the Caucasian daisy, an absolute specimen of a flower. It's got some white petals with a little bit of purple texture, some orange on the pollen. Incredible. Let's see what we can find for number 2, huh? And here we are, number 2, the organic orange multifractal botanical. This thing is unique in nature, a flower like no other. Look at the design, look at the pattern. This is an absolute beauty, extremely rare, only found in this area, but I'm sure we can top it for number 3. Let's keep going. And what do we have here, guys? We got the puffy purple cloud flower. This thing is intricate in detail. Look at the size of the petals. Give it a smell, and it smells like nothing. We're gonna need to change that for number 4, but this is a good stop for 3. Extremely rare, very incredible. Wow, blown away. So here we are, guys, stop number 4 along the block, and as you can see, we got flowers everywhere behind me, in front of me, but what caught my attention were these little guys, because although they are smaller than their counterparts, they still pack a punch. And I think what this shows is that beauty comes in all shapes, sizes, and colors. And for that reason, number 5 is definitely gonna surprise you guys. Let's get to it, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the 5th and final stop. What we are looking at right now is debatably not a flower. I'm no expert, but it looks like one a little bit. It's got the petal action going on, but it is definitely lacking in color. And as I said before, although this is the case, I still believe that this thing possesses beauty. It is unique in its own way. Although it's different, it's something that you can look at and appreciate. And that's the message in today's video. That's why you guys just came along with me for 5 stops of random bullshit. I'm kind of just fucking around out here. But I'm trying to make stuff that I want to make, just like this flower did. That's all I gotta say today, guys. I'll catch ya tomorrow.